evening, you are watching Knowledge Cafe with Khushi, where we discuss about common interest, issues and matters of importance. And we are going to discuss about such an important topic today, which is traffic rules violation. To discuss on this topic, we have a very special guest with us. She is a traffic police officer, Urvashi Talwar. Welcome, Urvashi.
Thank you, Khushi. It's my pleasure to be here.
Thank you, Urvashi, for taking your time out and come here to discuss such an important matter.
Yeah, I really want to help and provide some guidelines, and I really want to shed some light over this topic.
So, Urvashi, could you explain what are traffic rules violation? Because I know there are many people who are unaware about traffic rules violation, or maybe they are aware but they think it as a silly mistake which they have done. So, could you explain what are traffic rules violation?
Yeah, actually mainly traffic rule violations include anything which the drivers goes against the rules. So mainly overspeeding, red light jumping, these all come under the traffic rule violation.
Okay, so Urvashi, can you explain that what are the common reasons that people do these things, why they violate traffic rules?
According to me, I think people generally violate rules because they are in a hurry to reach their destination, and they are impatient while driving. So it's because they are in a hurry to reach.
I agree with you very much, Urvashi, and which can have a very dire consequences. Talking about consequences, what do you think, like what are the serious consequences that can happen while violating traffic rules?
You can see various accidents happens on the road, so it will lead to a loss of life for someone, and I think major road accidents and injuries, these all are very severe, so these are the consequences.
Yeah, these are pretty much very much dire consequences which one can face. So what are the measures which law enforcement have taken to enforce traffic violation?
Yeah, there are some various measures have been taken by the government. Mainly various cameras has been installed, regular checkpoints have been introduced, various awareness campaigns have been initiated. So they are doing their thing.
Okay, Urvashi. So as we know, you have been in this line for very long. You had a fair share of your traffic problems, traffic rules violation problems. So can you tell us what are the problems and challenges which you and your workers, your team have faced while enforcing these rules?
Yeah, there are various challenges which we face. It mainly the safety of the human being while they are on the road. So sometimes there are limited resources and infrastructure in some areas, so we get restricted by that only.
Okay, so can you tell us in what ways the public, our viewers, can you tell them that in what ways they can contribute to reduce traffic violation?
By following traffic rules, and by simply following traffic rules, I think, and not jumping red lights, be alert when you are driving, don't be drunk while you are driving, and it's about your safety and for others' safety.
Okay, so what are the advice you would like to give the pedestrians and drivers while they are on the road?
For the pedestrians, I just want to say, do not cross when the light is green, only cross the road when the light is red. So it's your safety in your hand, and you can protect yourself.
I completely agree with you, Urvashi. Thank you for taking your time out to come here. Is there any particular advice you would like to give our viewers?
Yeah, I want to say one thing, that following the traffic rules just for avoiding challans or fines is not enough. So you need to follow traffic rules, that's important, but it's more important to ensure the safety of human beings on the road. So drive safely for yourself and for others.
Again, Urvashi, I agree with you. Thank you once again for coming here and discuss about such an important topic.
Thank you, Khushi, so much.
You would like to say anything last to our viewers?
Yeah, in the end, I just want to say, drive safely, and life is important. So do not harm others and do not harm yourself as well.
Thank you, Urvashi, for taking your time out for discussing about this topic. We were glad that you took your time out and you came here. So that's all for today. Next week we will be again here to discuss about such an important topic with you all. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you.